Aristotle, one of the great philosophers, scientists, and educators of ancient Greece, was a master of Greek philosophy. He was a student of Plato and a teacher of Alexander the Great. Later generations referred to him as the scholar of scholars. As an encyclopedic scientist, his contributions spanned almost all fields of science and life. 1. The ultimate value of life lies in the ability to awaken and think, not just in survival. The assertion that the ultimate value of life lies in the ability to awaken and think, not just in survival, presents a profound perspective on what constitutes a meaningful existence. This statement suggests that the true essence of life extends beyond mere survival to encompass consciousness, intellectual engagement, and self-awareness. By exploring the deeper implications of this idea, we can better understand the importance of intellectual and philosophical pursuits in enriching human life. At its core, the statement emphasizes the value of consciousness and awareness. The ability to awaken and think is portrayed as the highest purpose of life, suggesting that self-reflection, creativity, and understanding are what truly give life its meaning. This view challenges the notion that the primary goal of life is merely to sustain oneself. Instead, it proposes that the richness of human experience lies in our capacity for thought and intellectual engagement. The distinction between survival and living is central to this perspective. Survival refers to the basic instinct to maintain life through meeting fundamental needs such as food, shelter, and safety. However, simply existing is not enough to fulfill the human spirit. The statement suggests that a meaningful life involves more than just staying alive. It requires an active engagement with the world through thinking and self-awareness. This deeper level of existence elevates life from mere survival to a more enriched and fulfilling experience. Philosophical traditions have long supported this view, emphasizing the importance of intellectual and moral development. Thinkers such as Socrates and Aristotle posited that the unexamined life is not worth living, highlighting the centrality of knowledge, virtue, and self-awareness. These ideas resonate with the statement's assertion that the ultimate value of life is found in our ability to think and reflect. Human potential and growth are also key themes in this perspective. The ability to awaken and think reflects our capacity for personal development and self-improvement. Engaging in critical thinking, creative pursuits, and intellectual challenges fosters continuous growth, leading to a more profound sense of accomplishment and purpose. This ongoing pursuit of knowledge and understanding is essential for a fulfilling life. The role of education and enlightenment is highlighted as well. The statement underscores the importance of education in nurturing our intellectual capabilities. By pursuing knowledge and expanding our understanding, we enrich our lives and enhance our ability to engage thoughtfully with the world. This pursuit of intellectual growth is seen as fundamental to achieving a life of value and meaning. Ultimately, the statement suggests that the purpose and meaning of life are found in intellectual and conscious activities. These activities provide depth and significance beyond mere survival, suggesting that a life well lived involves active engagement of the mind. This perspective aligns with existentialist views that encourage individuals to seek out their own meaning and purpose through self-reflection and conscious thought. In conclusion, the idea that the ultimate value of life lies in the ability to awaken and think, not just in survival, emphasizes the importance of intellectual engagement and self-awareness in achieving a meaningful existence. It advocates for a life enriched by thought, reflection, and understanding, suggesting that true fulfillment is found in conscious and thoughtful living. By embracing this perspective, we can appreciate the significance of personal growth, education, and the pursuit of knowledge as essential components of a valuable life. 2. What we repeatedly do each day forms who we are. You will find that excellence is not an act, but a habit. The assertion that what we repeatedly do each day forms who we are, you will find that excellence is not an act, but a habit, offers profound insight into the role of consistent behavior in shaping our identity and achieving excellence. This perspective emphasizes that our daily actions and habits, rather than isolated efforts, define who we become and how we perform. By understanding and applying this principle, we can cultivate habits that align with our goals and aspirations, ultimately leading to a life marked by excellence. At the core of this statement is the idea that daily habits play a crucial role in defining our character and identity. The repeated actions we engage in every day have a cumulative effect, shaping who we are over time. This aligns with the notion that habits, rather than sporadic actions, are the true architects of long-term development and personal growth. By consistently engaging in positive behaviors, we can mold our identity in ways that reflect our values and aspirations. The statement also highlights that excellence is not the result of a single act but the product of consistent, repeated behaviors. Achieving excellence requires a disciplined approach where individuals commit to performing at their best regularly. This means that excellence is cultivated through daily practices and routines, rather than through occasional intense efforts. Such a disciplined approach fosters a mindset of continuous improvement and dedication to one's craft. Moreover, the emphasis on daily actions underscores the importance of incremental growth. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant improvements over time. This perspective encourages individuals to focus on manageable daily actions that contribute to long-term goals, rather than relying on sporadic bursts of effort. By committing to regular practice and improvement, we can achieve substantial progress and mastery in our chosen fields. The statement also underscores the link between identity and behavior. What we do regularly becomes a part of who we are. By consciously choosing and cultivating positive habits, we can shape our identity and align our actions with our desired self-image. This means that by intentionally developing habits that reflect our values and goals, we can become the individuals we aspire to be. Additionally, the idea that excellence is a habit advocates for a long-term perspective on success. True excellence cannot be achieved overnight but requires sustained effort and commitment. This long-term approach fosters patience and perseverance, encouraging individuals to stay dedicated to their goals even when progress seems slow. By maintaining a focus on consistent, daily actions, we can achieve lasting success and fulfillment. The practical application of this principle extends to various areas of life, including personal development, professional success, and health. By identifying key habits that lead to excellence in these areas and integrating them into our daily routines, we can make steady progress toward our goals. For instance, regular exercise, continuous learning, and consistent work ethic are habits that can lead to significant achievements over time. Furthermore, the lives of successful individuals often illustrate the validity of this perspective. Many role models and leaders attribute their achievements to consistent habits, emphasizing the importance of routine, discipline, and regular practice. Their experiences reinforce the idea that excellence is a habit cultivated through sustained effort and dedication. In conclusion, the transformative power of habits in achieving excellence cannot be overstated. The assertion that, what we repeatedly do each day forms who we are, you will find that excellence is not an act, but a habit, emphasizes the importance of consistency, discipline, and incremental growth. By understanding and applying this principle, individuals can cultivate habits that align with their goals and aspirations, ultimately leading to a life marked by excellence. Through intentional and consistent actions, we can shape our identity and achieve lasting success and fulfillment. 03 Those who overcome fear are the ones who can achieve true freedom. The statement, "Those who overcome fear are the ones who can achieve true freedom," highlights the essential role of conquering fear in attaining genuine freedom. This perspective underscores the importance of courage, resilience, and self-awareness in breaking free from the constraints that fear imposes. By understanding and addressing this notion, individuals can unlock their potential, live more fulfilling lives, and contribute to both personal and societal growth. Fear manifests in various forms, including fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of rejection, and fear of change. These fears can significantly constrain individuals, preventing them from taking risks, pursuing their goals, or living authentically. Fear can act as a mental and emotional barrier, limiting one's ability to experience true freedom. Understanding the nature of these fears is the first step towards overcoming them. True freedom, as described in this context, goes beyond the absence of external constraints. It encompasses the ability to act according to one's own will, make choices aligned with personal values, and pursue a fulfilling life. This deeper sense of freedom involves inner liberation and self-determination. Achieving true freedom requires individuals to confront and overcome their fears, allowing them to live authentically and autonomously. The process of overcoming fear is a critical pathway to achieving true freedom. This involves facing fears, understanding their origins, and finding ways to move beyond them. Overcoming fear requires courage, resilience, and a willingness to step out of one's comfort zone. From a psychological perspective, fear triggers a fight-or-flight response, limiting one's ability to think clearly and act rationally. By overcoming fear, individuals can achieve greater mental clarity and emotional stability, enabling them to make more thoughtful and deliberate decisions. Conquering fear also fosters personal growth and self-confidence. When individuals overcome their fears, they often discover new strengths and capabilities, leading to a more empowered and autonomous life. This transformative process increases self-awareness and personal development. Furthermore, overcoming fear can unlock one's full potential, allowing individuals to pursue opportunities they might have otherwise avoided. This leads to greater achievements and a more fulfilling life. On a broader scale, overcoming fear contributes to social and cultural progress. When individuals collectively overcome fears related to social change or innovation, it leads to a more open, dynamic, and progressive society. Historical and contemporary figures who have faced significant fears and challenges exemplify this principle. Their ability to overcome obstacles enables them to achieve remarkable freedom and influence, serving as role models for others. In conclusion, the statement, "Those who overcome fear are the ones who can achieve true freedom," emphasizes the critical role of conquering fear in attaining genuine freedom. By understanding and addressing fears, individuals can break free from the constraints that fear imposes, achieving greater autonomy, unlocking their potential, and living more fulfilling lives. This journey towards overcoming fear is essential for personal growth and societal progress, highlighting the transformative power of courage and resilience in achieving true freedom.